Okay, you guys see the wall behind me, right? It is plain and empty and very boring. And I do not like that. So, we'll decorate it. So, for inspiration, I opened Pinterest and through all sorts of aesthetics, be it Y2K, cottagecore, green and beige. I could have just went ahead and printed everything out, but I thought, why not do it myself and just do some art and craft? I mean, that was the whole point of this channel, to do more artsy stuff, creative stuff. Anything that I had been doing in my childhood, just to do that again, which is drawing and sketching. I closed Pinterest and then I opened Instagram. Somehow I switched the account and went to my art account. No point of following it though, because I don't really post anything there. As you can see, I do a lot of black and white art, and Pinterest is so colorful. I thought, let's do a mix of it. So I did that. I have not drawn anything ever since I started working. I had such big ideas like a sticker shop, pretty envelopes, blah blah blah, and so many things I had thought of. But do people buy stickers anymore? I mean, I do. But do you? Now I'm again back to my home for a while. So why not start again? And my father always brings so much art supplies. I ask for one thing and he'll give me 10 things. Some might argue that I am doing this only for content, but even if I am, what's the harm in that? Anyway, now let's get to arting. Does not reflect a lot of my personal art style, because that style requires a lot of time, effort, and patience. And I wanted to do this a little quickly so that I can record my future videos like in this background if I'm doing it in room. But I think I have a better idea of how I want my wall in my Bangalore house as well. The problem there is that wall is such a bright orange that I don't know what will look really well put out. Like, pink will not look good in that. And I like pink. So I'll have to think of like it has a white border and then I put the pink maybe. But yeah, I think I am excited to do more little art stuff and all. And I don't really have to do it in one sitting there. Here I was on a limited time crunch, that's why I did it like this. But wahan pe I will make some quick art like this and then slowly cover up the wall with other bits and pieces. And I have a lot of artwork which was sent to me by my friends who have made it, so I can put that up also. Decorate your room, do it. And while we're on the topic, and it is also about to be New Year, let me talk a little bit about vision board and how I plan my year ahead every time. Last year went a little haywire in terms of my health and all, but I am ready to be back on track and start everything again. Usually, I open up Pinterest. I download some images for my vision board. Okay, so I have a board created here to 2024 vision board, 2025 vision board. My 2024 vision board had stuff like I am working here with a very pretty chia seed bowl and I think oatmeal and everything, coffee. I had a create my financial success, the quarter goals thing, where that's how I usually plan. That's the second part. I'll come to that in a bit. And there was reading involved, budgeting, traveling a little bit, and I think the main focus was on how I want sunlight wherever I'm staying. Like I had put two images of it, and then I just put an Indian rupee bulk way. The one which came true in a very evident sense was that my house has pretty great ventilation and lighting, and I had not had a desk before, like a proper my personal desk setup and all, which also changed in 2024. I got a new table, desk, chair setup. I put all my cute miniatures, figurines, and my friends gifted me a few crochet stuff, flowers, and all of that is kept there. Then I made the 2025 vision board, and again, of course, there's bunch of money, there's health, there's fitness, However, the major focus was on traveling. Four images which were around like I want to be at the beach, I am in a flight, I am reading, and that came pretty real because I went to the beach 4 times this year. One of the major things in my vision board was getting an iPad. So I had just put a picture of iPad in that. And now I have it. And because of this, I have this YouTube channel also, which I really did not think I will be having. I had also put a photo of me driving a car and a bike. So the car thing came true. I put like I hate getting up very early morning, but that's when roads are empty and that's when you have to go out and learn how to drive. So I did that. The next bike thing, I think that was a very wrong manifestation in the sense I don't know how to cycle yet. So in this year, I'm gonna put cycling because yeah, right now I have an injury, but after 4 or 5 months, I'll be all right to cycle. And I also kept decluttering. So decluttering and water wala, I had added it thinking that of course this is not gonna happen. I'm not gonna put so much effort, blah blah blah. Because I had made the vision board in December itself and January, May, I decluttered because it was in my mind. I was like, I'm not gonna do it, but I'm just sitting there on the bed and thinking I'm not gonna do it when I can just go and do it at that moment. So I did that. I have such a clear idea of my clothes right now. Water one, I was not expecting it to work out, but then my company had a health challenge hosted, and for a week there was like a task that you have to drink at least 2.5 or 3 liters every day and post a screenshot of that. And that really helps. Keeping a water bottle next to your desk is the best solution that I can think of.
I also had a very ugly headache because of dehydration. That also pushed me to having water all the time, and now I just thought of that headache, so yeah, let's have some water. Did you have water? Go have water.
So next year I'm gonna be like, if not gym, then home workout. Like I'm gonna put the yoga mat right in front of me, so it's there staring at me, at my face, like go and do it. So this was my 2024 and 2025 vision board. I will shortlist some pictures for 2026 right now, and then let's see. So how to do it? Basically, you just don't go to Pinterest and be like 2026 vision board. This will give you anything and everything that has the vision board tag, but that could not be your goal exactly. So the first thing to do is open the Notes app and make a new note, type vision board, and just start listing out the things you see as goals for your next year. Spill over from the previous vision board that I want to keep this year. So I'll keep driving and cycling instead of bike. Fitness, again, very important. So fitness, last time I only added gym photos. That's not what I'm gonna do this time. I'm gonna add both, which is home workout, gym. Then I want to again continue eating healthy and drink enough water. So I'll make diet and eat greens majorly. Water intake. I actually also want to start having dry fruits, nuts, and seeds properly. So let's try. I also want to reduce desserts that I consume. Is there anything I want to buy for content? A mic, yes. But is it vision board related? No, because I know if I'm gonna continue creating, I'll buy the mic. It's not like I'm manifesting to buy a mic. I will buy it if I want to. So, no, not going on the vision board. Let me type the spillovers like sunlight. So, for the next year, I don't think travel is that big of a goal, but I'm still gonna add going to beaches. But I'm thinking to try and add a mountain, although I'm not really a mountain person. Like I don't enjoy hiking and trekking. Like, it's just too much effort. Yeah, the view is amazing. Oh, like, oh, mera samundar or ret. Yeah, okay, I'll add beach. And I would also love to add books. Should I add a bookshelf? I've been planning to get a bookshelf for a while, but before that, I need some other important furniture, which is like a shoe rack and a sofa cum bed. So, bookshelf is not exactly the right thing I should be adding here. In case it becomes like a necessity that I really have to buy it, then I'll just buy it. For a lot of images in the board, I don't just put visuals, I also put text. So I keep reading them over and over. Oh, yeah, hair care. Very important, very, very important. It's in a really bad condition right now. I think this looks good for now. I was just thinking of one last thing to add, which is related to content creation. So, the next year goals for me will be to get to the eligibility criteria of YouTube monetization. That is something I'll be aiming for the next year. So, that is my goal. I'll just write it YouTube monetization, and then I'll see what kind of visuals I find out online and which connects with me, and I can actually put it and see it daily and not feel irritated or guilty from it. Next up, we'll edit the vision board. Before coming to that, there's the other set of stuff that I do, which is making quarter wise goals. So, vision board is just like New Year's resolution, alright, and we know resolutions don't work well if you don't put effort into them. So I divide the year into quarters, just easier to do that way in 4 quarters. And for every quarter, I would have a few health goals, few personal goals, few career goals, and creative goals. This year, what I'm gonna change is incorporate the bingo card idea into my quarter goals. So for every quarter, I'll make like a 3 by 3 grid. I'll put a few items in it for every quarter. Instead of pre-planning all the 4 right now, I'll go quarter by quarter. So for the quarter 1, I'll put 9 things like recovering well from all the health issues that I have right now, like especially the knee thing. Then I can put eat reducing the outside food consumption from every 2-3 days to once a week. I'm not really thought about the grid right now, but we'll do it and I'll put it in this video itself. While I'm editing, I might have already done it, so maybe you can see it next to me what my Q1 grid looks like. Vision board is a little personal thing for me, so that's not what I'm gonna share here. And I usually make it in my phone screen size, so instead of making a physical one and putting it on the wall or anything, I put it as my wallpaper. I have this idea that we grow a blindness towards things when they don't work out. Like, selectively we focus on things. So if the vision board is in front of me and I know I'm not working towards it, I'll just ignore it. I'll not look at it. It's just like the dust on your shelf. If you don't want to clean it, you pretend it's not there, right? If you want to go more easier, some people only put just one photo, which is also okay. One of my friends just put a car's wallpaper for the year 2025, and this year he got a car. Okay, so now I'm done with my vision board and quarter goals and all of that talk, and now let's get back to seeing this wall getting decorated. Alignment magic number. Let me sit with this background. It's so cute. I get it now. I get it why people put all this. I might wanna put more, but since I stay here temporarily, I think this much is okay. This has been the motto for this channel again, like, what if it works out? What if? and the others just look nice and read more. Then this is it for the video. Too much motivation in this video. Okay, well then like, share, subscribe, and hope you learned something from this. Hope you implement something from this in your life and you get good results. Let me know in the comments if you want more ideas on how to do a vision board or the quarter planning. So yeah, that is all from me for this one. See you next week. Bye.